y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nurse Lee. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you're not new, welcome back. So today I'm going to be reviewing this Alipearl hair. I decided that I wanted to construct a new wig, so I'm going to be using Alipearl from AliExpress, and this is 100% unprocessed human hair. I don't know if you guys can see that. So yeah, the packaging is really cute. It's my favorite color. Let's see what we have inside. Okay, so it comes with a wig cap, which will come in handy. It also comes with some eyelashes. This will also come in handy. So they gave us some goodies here to help us along the way. So I purchased a closure this time around. I didn't do a frontal just because I feel like I'm going to be wearing this closure to work, and I don't feel like putting on a frontal every time I have to go to work. So yes, this is a 14-inch closure. And also I purchased 14-inch bundles as well. I wanted it all to be the same length. I didn't want a layered look this time around. So yes, I got 3 bundles of 14-inch and then 14-inch closure. The wave pattern is deep wave. And I mean, I got deep wave just because I feel like deep wave is easier to manage, especially when you're on the go and you're rushing. Just spray some water and conditioner on it, run your fingers through it, and you're good to go. So let's feel the texture of this hair. They have netting around it. Hold on. Hold on. Get it out the netting. All right, here we go. It feels really soft. I mean, don't they all feel really soft when you first get them? So I'm guessing I'm going to have to do an update on it after I've worn it for some time. But yeah, right now, fresh out the packaging, it feels really soft. Trying to see if I'm going to get any shedding here. There's a little bit of shedding. Which hair doesn't shed, right? Even our own human hair from our scalp sheds. Well, mine does at least. So this is the closure. Let's see. Gotta put it on my hand. It looks like I'm gonna have to tint this closure. I feel like this is more so a medium brown color. So I have to lighten this closure up a little bit so it can match me perfectly. It is a middle part. Probably gonna pluck it just a little bit to open it up some. They give you some baby hairs to work with here. I'm probably gonna customize it and make my own baby hairs. Yep, it's all in the customization that makes your wig popping. So yeah, so I'm still running my fingers through. I'm not getting a whole lot of shedding, just a couple strands here and there. I mean, this is deep wave, so yeah. And this is a 4x4 closure, by the way, as you can see. 4x4 closure. I'm loving the curl pattern. Yep, let me smell it. It doesn't have a smell. It doesn't really have a smell. Um, but I'm gonna wash it so that it can have a better smell. So it can smell like my shampoo and conditioner. All right, so that's the closure. Um, I'm just gonna open one of the 14-inch bundles because I got 3 of them, so they're all the same. So there's no need for me to open each one. So here it is, 14 inches. This is probably going to stop at my shoulder or a little bit past my shoulder, which was the look I was going for. I don't need no long hair going to work. Just go get the job done. It's a 12-hour shift, you know. So here's the hair curl pattern, deep wave. Like I said, I'm gonna wash it. Trying to do the shedding test here. I'm really not getting much shedding. Just like I said, few strands, which is normal in my opinion. These bundles are thick, and I mean, it's 14 inches, so of course it's going to be of course it's going to be thicker. I mean, the longer you go, the thinner the bundles get. So here it is. Feels very soft. Feels very soft. Yeah. And when this wig is done being constructed, I will show you guys how the final product looks. So stay tuned. Hey guys, so I'm back and I had to get, I guess, a little dolled up. So the wig is constructed now. Here it is. This is the wig, the 14-inch, 3 bundles of 14-inch, and then the 14-inch 4x4 closure. So here it is. All right, so now I'm going to apply it on my head and just make it look good. All right, so I'm going to be using this mirror right in front of me to fix it up. So right now it's a little like poofy. So I have in this spray bottle, I have conditioner and I have water. I'm gonna spray it. Because you want it to lay down some. So this is coming to my shoulder because remember, I'm gonna be wearing this wig to work, so I don't want it to be too long. Trying to open the part up a little bit more. Make sure I pull the elastic band all the way down. now. Okay. Okay. So I got all these hair spectacles on my forehead. Okay. So now I'm going to. So it's supposed to be a middle part, so that's what I'm gonna leave it as. I'm gonna leave it as a middle part. So I'll take my hot comb. Just to lay it down some more. Okay. It's a little flatter now. So now let me see if I can create some baby hairs. So I'm just trying to do the baby hairs. This is always a little struggle for me, but I get there eventually. Remember, this is a closure, so it's gonna stop where it's gonna stop. Let's use this lotta body. All right, so I'm trying to lay down the baby hairs. Baby hairs, just try to put whatever you don't need. I also have my Got to Be Glued. Alright, so a little bit more. So I have to tie this down. I tie it down, and then I'm gonna work on bringing the curls back in the hair. Alright, so while I'm trying to get these baby hairs to lay down, spray the hair some more. Like I said, only thing in this bottle is water and conditioner. And I like how the curls come right back. All you need is water and conditioner. There ain't no heavy products in it. Still very soft. I can take this comb, try to comb it out some. Y'all see that? Look at this. Where's the shedding? Couple strands, that's about it. Couple of strands. This is where the hair comes to. 14 inches. Let me take this headscarf off now, see what we're working with. All right. This is super duper hot. So later on, I'll probably open up the part just a little bit. I don't like opening my parts too wide. And then I can also, I think it blends pretty well. I don't think I have to add any concealer or my foundation in there. But if I feel like I do, then I'll do that as well. But here's the final product of the hair. I like it. I like how it feels. It feels very soft. When you spray the water on there, the hair bounces right back. And I tried my best with these baby hairs. So this is what we're working with for now. It's a closure, so yeah, here it is. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I could just easily run my fingers through this hair, y'all. Easily. Without getting shedding. And no, this video is not sponsored. So I'm telling you guys the raw truth about it. Sheds a little bit of strands is all we get. Bounces right back into the curl pattern. All I had to do was put some foundation on the actual closure and seal it with Got To Be glue spray. And that's it. That is it. All right, so this concludes this hair review from Alipearl. If you are liking the hair, if you're feeling it, if you are interested in purchasing it, I'll leave all the description and the links down below in the comments box so you will be able to purchase your own. And yeah, that's it. Thank you all for joining me in reviewing this hair and the final look. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.